Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well, doing good, doing great and awesome. Greetings are really important before starting the video. God bless you all, stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are watching first time my video, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all your notification of my latest videos. Well, I hope you all are watching this video with good health and fresh mind as well. I know my regular viewers were waiting for the latest videos. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. Today I am presenting beautiful French bob haircut ideas for the girls who are searching the beautiful bob haircut ideas, different bob haircut ideas and hairstyles for change their look and for the upcoming season and new year hairstyle of 2025. So guys, this video will solve your problem. You can select your favorite one haircut and hairstyle idea from this video as well according to your personality, choice and age and also face shape as well. So ladies, don't waste the time, just take a screenshot of your favorite haircut and hairstyle, or you can download this video as well also and go to your hairdresser and get this hairstyle which you select for yourself. No doubt all celebrities and young girls, college going girls and models are getting this hairstyle these days to change or enhance the beauty of their personality. No doubt these all haircuts are really important for the beauty of yourself and will enhance the beauty of yourself. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. You can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. So guys, these all hairstyles are really classy, amazing and will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So ladies and gents, don't waste your time. Just pick up your favorite one and you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. These all hairstyles are really classy that after getting them you don't need to style them for long time. After getting them you will be ready to go anywhere anytime to outside or outdoor. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take care of yourself and have a great day.